I hope that the changes in digital marketing are that we don't have to continually keep justifying our very existence to senior management. I'm really hoping that's what's going to really change digital in the next 5 years, is that we won't have to make such a big case for that it will be more woven into the fabric of our business. And what we will spend more of our energy on is finding better and better ways to engage both with patients and physicians, and that will enable us to innovate. There's a lot of discussion here at ePharma right now about innovation. How are we going to innovate? That's the only way we're going to innovate, is if we stop having to plead our case all the time.
I expect digital marketing to change in the next 5 years by becoming extinct as a term. I don't think we'll be talking about digital marketing as a term because it's all marketing. It's like we don't talk about print marketing or TV marketing, it's all marketing. If I send you an email and you read it on your phone, is that an email campaign? Is it a mobile campaign? What is it? It's digital, but it's all marketing. So I think digital is going to go away as a term, and I think it's all going to be marketing. And you're going to think more about audiences and how do we reach different segments of people in different ways because they're consuming content differently. And we have to be attuned to that and respond to it.
So I think the biggest change is going to be how we integrate all of the new data points that we're getting from wearables, that we're getting from EMRs, and how do we take all of that data and integrate that together and learn from it and do the analytics on it so that we can enhance the relationship that we're building with any of the stakeholders. And I think that's the biggest challenge we're going to face.
If you had asked me 5 years ago, what are the big changes we'll see over the next 5 years, I would talk about implantables, and I would talk about one-stop shop for both treatment and information, and some of those things are happening. I think in reality, what we're going to see in the next 5 years is integration across the channels, better measurement, because we're getting better at that. We're better understanding what's happening when our programs and systems and channels are being used, which is fantastic. But I think that we're probably not going to see as much change as we want, which might be disappointing, but the opportunity is creating better content. The opportunity is to be more authentic and empathetic for a patient. The opportunity in the next 5 years is getting things right. Every patient wants to be communicated with personally. So anything we can do about personalization would be fantastic. So I think in the next 5 years, what we're going to see is a lot of the same things we're seeing now, but hopefully just better.